Namaskar everyone, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. If you work extensive hours on your desktop and laptops and you do face problems with your wrist hurting, aching all the time, your hands getting tired, this class is for you. We just need to be seated somewhere. You can also sit on a chair or you can sit like me on the mat. And if you're sitting on the mat and you want to feel comfortable, then just place something under your seat to elevate your hips. Let's get started. So we are going to do some movements and some drills for the hands and the wrists to bring some blood flow in it and to make it feel more at ease and relaxed. We're going to first start with just shaking off the hands a little bit, and just imagine there was water in your hands and you were just shaking it off, flickering water. Good. Then you're going to close your hands and make a fist, and you're going to roll your hands in one direction like so. And if this hurts, then be gentle. You don't have to make very big circles, just small, soft circles is absolutely fine. Good. And then we are going to trace circles in the other direction. And when you're doing all of this, just make sure that you're also breathing. We have to keep reminding ourselves to breathe and to focus on our breathing, to follow the rhythm of the breath. So, from here, shake it off again with your hands. And then from here, we're going to bring the hands together to the heart center, like so. But we're not just going to stay here. So what we're going to do is we're going to slightly lift the elbows up. As we do this, we're going to try and press through both the hands, and both your hands are trying to resist. So they're pushing each other into the other direction. Okay, so right hand pushing the left hand to the left, and the left hand is pushing the right hand to the right. And if you want to decrease the intensity of this stretch, you can just lower your elbows down. But to increase it, you're going to lift your elbows up. So just make a choice as to how do you feel in it. And please don't shrug your shoulders, so keep your shoulders relaxed, okay? And then again, constantly pressing and breathing in and out through your nose. Perfect, and we're going to again shake it off. Now we'll do the same thing, but the opposite side. So you're going to now bring the tops of your hands together, and you're going to again press the tops of your hands against each other, and keeping your elbows slightly down, and also not lifting your shoulders up, so keeping your shoulders down away from the ears. And sitting upright and also breathing in and out through the nose. So constantly there is a push going on through both the hands. Again, if this is too much in terms of intensity, then what you could do is that you can come back to doing this, what you were doing, and you can just avoid doing this. But again, you have to listen to your body. So sometimes for some people it might be a little uncomfortable, and for some of us this might feel amazing. Great, and we're going to shake it off again. And we're going to again make a fist, and we're going to draw circles, trace circles in one direction, in other direction. And you can just do these drills while you're at work or you're in between your work, you want to take a time to reset, you can just be sitting where you are and do these exercises, do these drills. Good. And now from here, we're just going to take the left hand and open the fingers, and with the right hand, just press the webbings of your fingers and just give a little massage to the webbings. So just with your right hand, get into those webbings and like circular motion, massage, get in between the index finger and the middle finger. So go till almost like you're going in between the knuckles as well. And then let's go into the webbing of the middle finger and the ring finger again. Whatever makes you feel good in terms of the movement that you want to take. You can make circles, you can go up and down. And then let's go from there to ring finger and between the ring finger and the pinky. Good, and then we're going to now do the same thing, opening the right hand. Then let's get in between first the thumb and the index finger. And if that's making you feel pretty good, just keep doing that for some more time. Then let's get between the index finger and the middle finger. Middle finger and the ring finger. So all movements that feel good. Circular motion, sliding up and down. Let's get between the ring finger and the pinky. Nice, and then we're going to again shake it off. Good. And when you're shaking it off, there's no right or wrong way, so up and down, side to side, both together, alternate. Good. And now we're going to just open and close the fingers. So open your fingers wide. Good. You can just keep your elbows slightly down, keep your shoulders down, and then close and make a tight fist. Good. Open and close. Open, close. Open and close. You can bring your elbows down as well. You don't have to face it this way. Just find yourself relaxed with the rest of your body. We're working on the hands and the wrists, so that's what we are going to focus on. Good. Again, making sure that we are breathing in and out through the nose. And when you're opening your fingers, open them wide. And when you're closing your fingers, try and make a tight fist. Good, and you can already see, like I can see it in my hands, the blood flow, like I can see my hands getting red and then they are getting slightly pale. Good, and then shake it off. Now you're going to interlace your fingers and just keep the heels of your palms away from each other. Then you're going to just bend your left wrist. So flex your left wrist and then flex your right wrist. So your left arm is up, left hand is up. And don't bend the elbow, just try and keep it slightly straight. So you're bending and you're flexing the right wrist, then you're flexing the left wrist. And again, if your elbow is bending off the upper hand slightly, it's fine, but don't bend it completely. Not the elbow, sorry, the wrist. Please excuse me. Good. So again, bending the basically the lower hand is kind of, the wrist is in flexion, so it's bending. And you can do this pretty slow as to how you're feeling, or you can do it slightly faster. Good, and we're going to shake it off again. And that's it, friends. This is our very short drill for which we really don't need to do too much. We just can do this from where we are seated. Hope this helps you. I'm going to see you in the next video soon. Be well. Namaskar.